kid joins up with a whole group of friends.
And those friends decide to work together.
You've got something really powerful. You've got Friends for Change.
And that's why Disney's Friends for Change is making a difference.
That's right. This month, we're taking on our habitat.
We're gonna clean it, plan it, and pass it on.
Clean it. If 500,000 of us clean up just 10 feet of beach, that would be 1,000 miles of clean sand. Surf stuff?
And you can plan it by planting native trees in your area to provide cleaner air.
And then pass it on. If 500,000 kids gave their old computers to someone else to use or recycle them once they were finished with them,
that would keep 2 million pounds of toxic lead out of landfills.
Remember, great habits make great habitats. So grab your friends.
Go to Disney.com/friendsforchange. You'll get a lot of great ideas.
You can join us in changing the world for the better.
And catch this. On April 24th, Friends for Change is going to tap into some tree power by planting a whole forest worth of native trees.
We need your help to make the planet a whole lot greener.
Now get your friends together and go visit Disney.com/friendsforchange to find a local tree planting event near you.
Join us and be a part of the action.
Send it on.